Rubio. Oh man, my glove fell off. Hey guys, come on. Let's go to our fort. I didn't make one. Then you can go, then you can share mine. Come on. Okay. First I want to throw a snowball at Patrick. Patrick! Look! Hey! Come over here. Oh, that's the thing. Oh, yeah! Yay! I'm going to my snowboard. Call me when it's spring. Okay. Where do I go? You can share mine. I'll get out. No, not that. You make me one?